Hello everyone. Today we are addressing evaporator motor count and how to add a process motor in the Trenton Refrigeration Load Calculator tool located in the Trenton Refrigeration Design Tools package, which can be downloaded from the Trenton Refrigeration website. This tutorial is a continuation of the previous tutorial using the same 10 by 10 by 10 cooler application at a 35-degree box temperature. With one exception, I've already selected the equipment here, and the reason behind that is to show you how to verify your motor wattage once the equipment selection has been made. So it's always a good idea to double check by going to miscellaneous load and making sure that your fan motor count and fan wattage is equal to what your evaporator selection is. So the way we determine this is to click on the preview button, and it'll bring the load calculation up, and we'll scroll to the evaporator section, and you can see my fan count is 2 and my watts for that fan circuit is 200. So 200 watts divided by 2 motors gives me 100 watts per motor. So if I close this out and go back to miscellaneous load, you'll see I've got 2 fan motors, each at 100 watts. And this is critical because as you move between product families, those wattages will not remain the same. So it's always a good idea to double check in the way that I just showed you. So the next thing that we're going to do is talk about how to add process motors or any type of motor that might be operating within the conditioned space that you're calculating for. Click on Add Load here under Other Loads. We'll click on Add Load, and let's just assume that you, for whatever reason, you had about 10 horsepower worth of process motors in this processing room. So we'll just label this description as process motors, and we'll change this count to say 10 process motors, each at 1 horsepower. So we'll put the 1 in here, change that from watts to horsepower, and we'll modify the runtime. We'll just say it's a 16-hour day, and click in this box, and you can see now my load has actually changed to 16,963 BTUH. Hit OK, and if I would like to add another process motor or another load, I just simply hit Add Load and go through the same process again. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Trenton Refrigeration sales engineer. Thank you and have a great day.